Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time you come across this video. Okay, today let's dive into this particular tutorial. If you want to claim if you participated in the ongoing Signal, the season 1 that they already shared the token, and you want to claim it and you don't know how to go about it, just open it, go to claim, click on that particular season 1. When you click on season 1, it will open up. Then click on claim. If you click on claim, it will direct you to another page where you will need to claim. When you now click on connect wallet, choose the particular wallet that you connected to your Nodepay website. Then when you choose it, it's open. Once it's open, then you connect. Understand? You connect. Once you connect, then make sure you have 0.2 so in your wallet, because if you don't have, it will not go. So immediately you perform the task. Once the transaction is done, they will take, I guess, 0.01 so, maybe 0.001, I can't remember. Then you approve it. You click on approve. Once you click on approve, my first transaction did not went through, so I have to try it again. So on the second trial, it went through. So once you click on it, it will go through. Please watch to the end, and please like, share and subscribe on my channel. I'm begging you guys, subscribe on my channel. Subscribe. So this is the simple way you claim your token. That's if you participated in the season 1 Signal. If you did not participate, I believe most of us are participating in the season 2. See you guys in my next video, and bye bye.